Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll share to change your alarm sound inside your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get started. Alright guys, open up your clock app on your phone and then you'll be brought to your alarm section here. So now to change your alarm sound is simply click on that alarm. So for example, I'm going to click on the 5:45 AM. And then where you set your time for your alarm, look below, and under there it says alarm sound, so click into that. And now you can change the alarm sound by clicking on the ringtone. Click on allow, and then you've got all these different selections. You can change it to this one, that one, orbit. So simply click on the one you want to use, and then once you've done that, click on back. And now your alarm sound has been changed. You can also change the volume of the alarm while you're down here too by dragging this scroller left to right. I'm going to keep it up to max because I struggle getting up in the morning. Hit back. Yeah, so that's it for this quick tutorial guys, how to change your alarm sound inside your Android mobile device. Thanks for watching till the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.